Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch from your honey garden to the normal garden in Grey Garden game app Roblox new BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, your garden will be automatically switched to the honey garden, as you can see, and you can only plant honey plants in this garden. And if you want to get back your normal garden guys, you can go to this menu, the save slots menu. Okay, and as you can see, now the active garden is the honey garden, and if we want to switch the garden, we just need to select our normal one. I'm going to choose my second garden. Oh, I need to wait 2 seconds. Okay, and that's it. Now my garden has been turned into a normal garden or the main garden. Okay guys, and that's how you can get back your normal garden in Grey Garden game of Roblox new BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!